Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the course of journalism. I am Rashid Ishaq and today we will talk about the business models. स्टूडेंट्स आज मैं मीडिया मैनेजमेंट का जो कोर्स है जिसका कोर्स कोड है JMC353 लेक्चर नंबर 1 है लॉकडाउन के बाद, जिसके ऊपर मैं अभी डिस्कशन करूंगा आप लोगों के साथ, वो है बिजनेस मॉडल. और स्टूडेंट्स कोर्स outlines are the business model. I will discuss here what is business model. First of all, I will tell you what is the model and I will discuss in detail what is the business model. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप लोगों के कोई क्वेश्चन हो, मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 0333964588 और ईमेल भी कर सकते हैं आप मुझे rashid9794@gmail.com. What is model? Model is the graphical representation of some theory. Model is the graphical representation of your concept. Model is the graphical representation. And what is theory? Theory is the net cost to catch what we call the word. If you present your whole idea in the form of some graphs or charts, this is called the model. So what is business model? I will discuss in detail what is the model and the business model. There are number of business models. Models are working to generate the revenue, to generate the income, to generate the money. So first of all, what is model? Model is the graphical representation of theory. This is called the model. And the business model, which is totally completely focused on business skills, which is totally focused on business strategies, which is totally focused on generation of revenues. Students, if you are writing or making notes, I will repeat, the graphical representation of theory is called model. And the business model, which is totally focused on revenue generation. Business model is which is focused on generation of some revenues. Dear students, a description, business model is a description of how your business makes money. A business model is a description, an explanation, a briefing of how your business of any kind, either it is a subscription kind of business, either it is an advertising kind of business, either it is different kind of businesses, you see, franchise kind of business. The business is focused, the business a description, this is a description, explanation, interpretation of how your business makes money, how your business generates money. Students, it's an explanation of how you deliver values, means how you deliver and what kind of product and services you are delivering to your target customers. I will repeat, students, a description, an explanation, an interpretation of how your business makes money. This is the strategy, this is a complete plan, this is a complete model that how you plan to provide services and products to your target customer and generate money. It's an explanation of how you deliver, you provide, you give access to your target clients and customers and access to your products or services at an appropriate cost. Dear students, business model describes the process of an organization. What organization creates, what type of organization is creating, which kind of products and services an organization is creating, and which way the organization is providing its services and products. By keeping in view the economic, social, cultural and other contexts of the target customers. Students, I will repeat, a business model describes the process of how an organization creates, produces, writes, like my journalism and mass communication students are creating, producing documentaries, dramas, films, news, and they sell to the target customers. Either the target customer is from the elite and educated class in the form of English newspaper, they are from the uneducated or less education class in the form of Urdu newspapers, or television is available, internet is available, and different different types of accesses are available to the target customers. So a stylo, for example, a stylo business, a stylo is a brand which is, I think, deal in the woman fashion designing. The hand purse, shoes, etc. are all are for the target customers. Or for all are for the students, all are for the children's and women's. The target customer for stylo fashion designing is women's. So now pay attention. A business model describes the process of how any kind of organization, either it is a stylo, either it is McDonald's, either it is subscription, either it is newspaper, any kind of business, a Ufone franchise, Telenor franchise, Samsung organization, Geo News, Express News, Sama News, radio, commercial radio stations, etc., creates contents, produce the products and services. And second is how they deliver. Either they are circulating the newspaper, first kind of delivery process, either they are making available their products in the markets and people go there and purchase those products, or either they are giving online access or internet, people subscribe and pay subscription fees and get access to some research, some books, some article, some any kind of services you require. Like I am a researcher in media sciences. I have completed my MPhil, and I most of the time I need to view the latest research papers. So when I read those research papers, only abstract is available on the internet, and for getting the complete text I have to pay the subscription charges. So the students, model is the graphical representation of theory, and theory is the cost of what we call the word, net cost to catch what we call the word. Business model, which is focused on business, and I further explained that a description of how your business makes and generates revenue. It's an explanation of how you deliver values, your product services to your target clients and customers at appropriate cost. Okay, students, the business model is a business model describes the process of how an organization creates, as I discussed, delivers, access. Deliver means access to the clients. If you want to purchase Pepsi, the Pepsi is available on every general store. But if you want to purchase a research article on coronavirus, COVID-19, and the consequences behind it, you have to go to online journals and you have to pay the subscription fee, and then you can download. Otherwise, you cannot. This is the very most important point which I discussed here, that the product and services are relevant, which captures the values according to the economic, social and cultural and other contexts. Here in cohort, people like the car models whose price range should in between from 5 lakh to 20 lakh they can afford. But a car costs 70 lakh. People of cohort, I think majority could not afford. Some of the people, there are 5% of people can afford the car of 70 lakh, 80 lakh, 90 lakh. But when organization creates, so the organization delivers and captures values according to the economic setup, economic system of that specific area, a social setup and cultural and other context. Students, my students, if all of you are listening to me, I have discussed in detail the demographics. This is all about the demographics, and a business captures the values of the society. This is all about the demographics. What is their financial condition? What is the financial condition where you are providing your products and services? What is their social setup? Either they are advanced or backward, or what is their cultural? So services and products and your language and your content is directly proportional to the culture present in that society. You are presenting news in English in the region of some backward area, so they cannot understand you. So students, I am repeating that a business model describes the process of how an organization creates products and services, how they give access to the target clients and customers, to those products and services which an organization has created or generated, and how capture values are captured in according to the economic, according to the social, and according to the cultural and other contexts. Students, the business model can also be described and explained in a well way. The process of business model construction and modification by making some positive changes in your model is also called business model innovation, and this can form a part of business strategy. Students, business model is not only how an organization creates, delivers, and captures values in economic, social, and culture and other contexts, but also the process of business model construction, modification, and the cycle continues. Construct a business model, implement in the society. If it is giving good results, then it is good. If not, then you have to update this model, because the business, if a business is not giving you enough benefit, then you have to modify it. So the process of business model construction and modification is also called business model innovation and forms a part of business strategy. Innovation is diffusion of innovation theory. I think you have studied in the previous classes that innovation is some new idea, some new concept. Now think that the world is changing, and every new day is giving a new way. Every new day, the demands of the customers and clients is increasing day by day. In 2001, I think, compare the content of PTV and GeoNews. So the business of GeoNews is more than the PTV. PTV is a national channel, Pakistan Television Corporation, but the setup of GeoNews is more advanced. So what is the like and dislikes of the people matters. What people want to watch is matters. What are the graphics, what are the after effects, what are the editings which people like matters. So the company constructs and modifies the business model. This is also called business model innovation, and this is the form of forms, and this builds a part of business strategy. Students, here I will discuss the graphical form of some model. There are number of models are present. You can search easily on internet so now I will discuss the business model which I suggest is the best. First of all, concept is drawn, concept is presented of business model. First step of the business model, students, take your pen and copies and draw what I am saying. In first step, draw business model concept and circle it. In first step, I am discussing the model. I am discussing the business model. In the first step, business model concept is the first step in the business model. Go along the circle. The second step is assumption. Students, the first step is business model concept. Second step is assumptions. Third step is hypothesis. Please write down what I am saying. First is business model concept. Second is assumptions. Third is hypothesis. Fourth one is test formats. Fifth one is test setups. 7 is test, then test result, and again the business model concept. Now pay attention. If you have presented a good business model concept, then the second step is assumption. Then you have to identify the assumptions. You will assume whether this model will be good or not, whether this model could give the better results or not. Better results can generate better money for the organization, can be suitable for the organization. You have to identify the assumptions. Then if assumptions are drawn, then build a strong guess which is called hypothesis. After assumption, you have to build a strong guess, which is called the hypothesis. Then you have to choose